Hi everyone, this is Deb. I am here with my first OfficeSupply.com haul. It's not a huge haul, but it's enough. I did get free shipping, I paid tax, and I probably had a discount on some things, but I don't remember how much. I will tell you the prices as I go. This is the first thing that I got. I have an old pink cutting mat under here, and it is thicker than this one, but it's so icky. I could not get it clean. I scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. I used alcohol. I tried all the things, and I can't get it clean looking. So I'm planning on putting this down to use when I record videos because I don't, I don't feel like I'll have so much glare as I do with this glass mat that I have under here. And because my pink one is so icky, I covered it up with grid paper, which also works, but um, I will save this and try and keep it neat and or clean it up right after the videos. And it is double-sided. I haven't taken the sticker off the other side, so this is the lighter side, which I'll probably use for videos. And this is the darker. They're both gray. Actually, both of them are okay for videos, right? You still get a little glare. Well, that's on the sticker, which I have to take off. And you can see I wrote 2059 on here. So they had other ones. I can't believe how expensive some of you know? We'll just peel that off right now. This is a Fiskars, and the thickness, like I said, it's not super thick. It's about 1/8 of an inch, I guess. The one I have under it, the pink one, is about 1/4 inch thick, but I've had it for years. And this says self-healing with high contrast colors for cutting visibility, uh, 12 by 18 inch, two-sided cutting mat. So, and there's that number if you can get it. Well, I told you my camera just does not want to focus that close. I'll read it to you. 07848408370 The item number up here is 183700 or 03-060926 if you're interested. Just look up Fiskars two-sided cutting mat on OfficeSupply.com. I am not sponsored. I don't have a coupon code. But if you get on their mailing list, you'll get coupon codes because I have a second order coming in on that one. I got 15% off crafting supplies coupon up to $10 off. So I got $10 off that order and free shipping too. Okay, then I did get this adhesive. This is sticky tape. This is like the double-sided tear and tape, if you will, that like Stampin' Up! Has, you know that one. Double-sided. It's about a 1/4 inch, which is my favorite. And this was $2.28. I don't want to tell you what I pay usually if I get it at that other place. Anyway, I just wrote on here. This is from American Crafts. And then OfficeSupply.com has office supplies, you know. So I have gotten file folders there, a box of 100 for 8 something. They came along with those freebie sticky notes I showed you in a previous video before the crafts came. And the funny thing is I got notified by UPS that the crafts were coming before Office Supply notified me. I thought I'd give this glue a try. I found that it was 254. It's only 2 ounces, but it's called Sobo Premium Craft and Fabric Glue. I'm always looking for different glues. It is made in Tianjin, China in 2024. So, I don't know. We'll see how it is. I thought if I can use that for fabric and paper and it's decent, I wouldn't have to buy my favorite fabric one, but I don't know. I have another big bottle of this, and I store this upside down because it's down to here. It is getting harder to squeeze it for me. Okay, on to the other crafty stuff. I got this. Now, I am pretty sure I had this before. This is an older pink I might still have it, but if I do, it's in a collection and it's not stored where my 6x6 papers are. So I don't know, but I could not find it and it's not in with my Valentine's stuff that I could find. It's called Moonstruck by Pink Paisley. I'm pretty sure I have had this before, but it's beautiful and it was $1.65 for how many sheets? 36 sheets, so it's 2 times 18. It is single-sided, and I'll do a quick flip through this way. That's like feathers, pink and orange, script with different colors on. Really pretty. Love that one. You could cut these in strips or cut them. They're about, I think about, well, here. They're less than an inch. They're about 3/4 inch square, most of them, I think. Anyway, different little elements. Butterflies, the sky, maybe some of my celestial stickers can go with that. Some hearts. Oh my. Yeah, this definitely I can use with some of those celestial stickers, right? Moonstruck is the name of it. This one I'm not crazy about. I don't like the colors swirled that they have swirled together. Just not my favorite. Um, so actually what I could do if I'm making cards or something, I could turn it upside down and use this as a card mat on the inside of a card. So I won't waste it. Or paint on it, paint over it. Keys, flowers, the first cut apart. What does the moon one say? I love you to the moon and back. All the good, wonderful, lovely, spectacular vibes. Pretty chic, pretty heart. And I can't read that. I'm sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Dream big. Some butterflies, but they got cut off. That's okay. I like that one too. Could use that with my celestial sticker book. This does have a pattern. It's sort of diamonds. Can you see it? Yeah, there we go. A black and white floral, black and white brush strokey thing on what looks to be paneling in the background. This is script, sort of a brown black, I don't know. And then this one, is that the same as that other one? Hang on. Okay, different shade, similar pattern. This is more all over just chicken wire look. And this has a different pattern with little kind of X's in at the joining point. It's hard to explain. And it's ombre. Pink flowers, roses looks like. Pink, I mean black with some teal green and white dots. Green. I guess it was that shade of green. Is that houndstooth? That's sort of a different kind of houndstooth. That one might be another one I use as the back. Pretty green with looks like lacy doilies that had been sprayed through or something. And then we're repeating. So yeah, that is Moonstruck. I don't know. I saw somebody haul and I'm like, I'm pretty sure I had that before. I really like that. I can't find it. So I bought another one. Now I'll find it, I'm sure. But I looked and I couldn't find it. Okay. All the rest of the order is one collection. Let me move these. Um, and I got a good bit of it. And it's pink paisley also. First thing is this 12 by 12 paper pad, which only has 24 sheets, but it has foil. It's gorgeous, guys. It's gorgeous. I am so addicted to paper, and these are double-sided, which is why I got it. Because I thought the double-sided ones, I really like this pattern here, this color, but it has the cut apart on the other side. Anyway, I thought the double-sided I could use to make journal pages, you know, fold them, or folios or something. This is like ledger, big enough to write in though. But this side has this pretty pattern with foil, like a quilt, right? And we have yellow suns with daisies on the back. I think they're daisies. Correct me if I'm wrong. Then we have like a pink one side ledger with these beautiful pink flowers. Then we have these cut aparts on the back of something like library cards and things. Oh my gosh, but look at the back. I hope there's two of everything because I'll have trouble deciding on that one which to use. And then we have this plaid, which will go really good either with that floral or this. Anyway, and this floral. Ugh, these floral are gorgeous. And the stripe and that floral. And then we have pale blue with darker blue script and this floral. And then this pretty, but this pink is like raspberry pink is so pretty with a dark maroon. I love, love, love it. I love the blue in that too. And the blue here and different cut aparts than before. And a lot of these, happy birthday, thank you, thinking of you, thank you. Anyway, they can be used on cards and then some of these other tags. Yeah, thank you, sweet friend. You're my favorite person, just for you. Just a flower. Do things that make you happy. I love you. Happy birthday, thinking of you. All kinds of sentiments. And then these are different also. I'm not going to read them all to you. You can read them if you can read sideways. And then even more, just different ones. So lots of cut aparts for your in journals or whatever. And then this is repeating. Yeah. Goody. So, oh, that's so good because then I won't have to decide, do I want to use that side or this side? Because I have two sheets of it. So I can use the floral on one and the back on the other. Yeah, I love this 12 by 12. But then, I had to get the 6 by 8. I'm sorry, this is called Joyful Notes in case I didn't say that. And the 6 by 8 also has foil accents, but the images, of course, are smaller. So let me just quickly go through. Oh, smaller ones of these. That's nice too. I tend to work smaller. And then these are similar sentiments, but they're a little bit smaller, obviously, in size. I really love that green one too. And this blue script, which actually I might use for something here soon. Just for you. So pretty. It's a really beautiful thing. Now, as I was looking for that moonstruck in my stuff, I have too much stuff, guys. I was looking through and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't know I had that collection. Oh my gosh, I didn't know. I have some other pink paisley stuff I didn't know I had. Yeah, not the same collections, luckily. I didn't see Joyful Notes in there. So let me see when this is from. This is from 2023. So yeah, I didn't get this before. And then to go with it, I got these 2 packs of ephemera. They both say 61 pieces, but they're different. This one, at least they showed them being different. Let's see. Yes, this one looks like more journaly kind of stuff. And then this one looks more like regular ephemera with some words and things in it. Hello, choose kindness, thinking of you, let's celebrate. Celebration, love you, thank you, congrats. And there's some in this that look like they're foiled. Yeah, even this pretty thing here has foiling on it. I'm not going to take them out. And there are some vellum pieces in here too. So really beautiful ephemera. And then this also, which can be more for like your tags and journaling cards and things. And there's vellum in there too. Now, here's the thing. I did not go in and count them. I'm not going to, but these are both, this one is partially slit, and this one, the bottom part is open. I think I have enough stuff, even if they're missing a piece or two out of here, that I can make do between this and all the other selections I got, other kits. So this is what I got from Office Supply, the mat, the 2 adhesives, the Moonstruck pad, and this Joyful Notes, 12 by 12, 6 by 8, and 2 ephemera packs. They're gorgeous. I have so much stuff for spring and summer. Yeah, I could probably craft spring and summer all year long and not use it up. And then I even found some of the Hobby Lobby small paper pads. I have a whole basket. About half of it is full of those, and I pulled one out because I was working on a project I didn't finish, and some of it will go with that. And also, I found another one that some of it will go with my strawberry book. So, yeah, I'm in big trouble, guys. Help me stop. Help me stop. Actually, I have one more off supply.com order. It has not shipped yet. It was from February 5th, which was just Thursday? Thursday. Yeah. And I think I had a 20% off coupon on that. I could be wrong about that. Free shipping also. And that one, I got a few not springy things, but cute things. So you'll see when I get it. All right, I have to get off of here. I have things to do for videos for Sunday, and I have a few things to get caught up on. And I was supposed to go out somewhere with my daughter today for her belated birthday present outing. We were going to get a pedicure and then go have sushi together. However, it did a little something overnight, like a mix, and her husband got to work and texted her and said the roads were really, really, really bad. Don't take this road or whatever. And I'm like, if that road is bad for you, that's the only way you have to get anywhere. Do not go out. We'll reschedule. Oh, I really wanted to go. I know, but she had to take my granddaughter to the church for a thing. She was mandatory. She had to go to this thing. And Amy texted me later and said she was terrified on that drive. A car flipped over on the one main road we have around here, and on the opposite side of the highway, luckily. I mean, not luckily that it happened, but anyway, she was safe, is what I'm getting at. But she was terrified. So she got to the church and they decided to cancel it after she got to the church. I'm like, couldn't you have called everybody? Or so I'm going to tell her next time you have an event and it's iffy, call them, call somebody and say, are you sure you want to have this? Because the roads are really bad. The roads are better now. They cindered them or whatever in her area. I don't know if they've done anything around here. And on top of that, it is now like 5 degrees, feels like -12. So this is southeastern Pennsylvania, guys. We don't usually get those kind of temperatures, and they're not going to really warm up until I think it was Wednesday. Yeah, it's going to be bad for the next few days, but at least and all the snow we had before is still there, not melting. Anyway, it is what it is. We get through it the best we can, right? Life goes on or it doesn't. Anyway, take care. I love you all. Please be safe out there, no matter what your weather or where you are. And I will talk to you again probably Sunday. Okay? Take care. Hugs, love, and peace.